Hello and welcome to a Meditech training video by the IT training team, which is filled with help and tips on sending and receiving notices.
Hello, welcome. My name is Richard Slater. I'm the Chief Clinical Information Officer here at Rotherham. What we're trying to do is introduce a series of videos aimed at improving clinician user experience in interacting with our electronic healthcare records. Over the series of videos we'll be introducing you to some concepts that you may or may not be familiar with and which will hopefully allow you to streamline and make more efficient your workflows in dealing with the electronic record and hopefully improve your user experience as well. As always, we are open to feedback and welcome your input and comments. I'm quite happy to receive those. So, without further ado, we'll take you into the video. This video will explain how you can generate notices, how you receive notices, and how you can acknowledge receipt of a notice that's been sent to you. This is particularly important for radiology notices. It's an IRMA regulation that all radiology reports are seen and acted on by an appropriate clinician, and this is an important quality and safety metric that the Trust needs to adhere to in order to comply with regulations. It's therefore important that you know how to do this properly and in a timely and efficient fashion.
Did you know that notices specific to an individual patient can also be viewed from within the patient record on the notices screen? If the notices button is active in red text, it means that there are notices in there that you haven't seen before. Click on the Notices tab and you'll be taken onto the Notices screen. Meditech currently shows two types of notices. There's the radiology and laboratory results, which are generated automatically, and then there are messages which are sent to you by another user. At the moment, we are seeing all notices for this patient. If you just wanted to see all notices sent to you, then you'd click on the Mine tab. Click a notice to view its details. In this one, we can see that it's a message, we can see who it was to, who sent it, the subject, whether it was high priority, the date and time it was sent, and the content of the message. To return to the Notices screen, just click on the Current List button. We'll now have a look at one of the radiology results. You can click on the Report icon, and that will take you in to be able to read the textual radiology report. Click the Close button to return to the Notices screen. Now, once you've read that, you might want to acknowledge it. If you change your mind, you can keep it as new. I'm now going to show you how you can send a message to your secretary or another colleague. I'm going to click on the Current List button, which will return me to the Notices screen. And in this example, I'm going to send a message to my secretary asking her to get the case notes out for me so that I can have a look. So you'd click on the Send Notice button at the bottom of the screen. The recipient will automatically default to the admitting attending consultant. So delete that out, type in the surname of your secretary, select from the list, give your message a subject, mark whether you want it to send it high priority or low priority, and then type in the body of the message. Click the Save button. And that's it, you've now sent that message to your secretary.
Thank you for your attention. Hope you found our video useful and informative, and I look forward to welcoming you to the next one in due course. Goodbye.
And that's it. If you need any further guidance, please contact a member of the IT Systems Training team, and the details are on screen now. Thank you.